Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Get ready for an exciting adventure as we dig into a world of interesting tools that are sure to catch your attention. These amazing inventions are all set to change the way you think about technology. Don't miss out on cool tool number 12, the wire stripper, a cool device that can simplify a common electrical task. Before we start, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for updates on all our tech videos. Now let's get started. Number 16. MetalTech Climb-N-GO. Taking inspiration from Steve Jobs' famous advice to work smarter, not harder, the creators of this invention have come up with something really cool. Imagine a motorized system designed specifically for Baker-style scaffolding. It's like a smart solution that helps construction workers move around the construction site easily without having to climb down. With just one charge, it can travel a distance of 1.370 meters. And the best part is, it's super easy to set up and control using a simple joystick. This system is strong enough to carry up to 227 kilograms, and it works with batteries from brands like DeWalt and Makita. The cost of this innovative gadget is $1,650. Number 15. The pitch hopper. Let's introduce wedges that were created by a team of smart people, including engineers, roofers, inventors, and scientists. These wedges are made to make working on roofs more comfortable using the power of friction. They come in two sizes. One is 61 centimeters long and weighs 2.7 kilograms, and the other is 81 centimeters long and weighs 3.5 kilograms. Both can hold up to 113 kilograms without breaking. Even if people jump on them, they stay strong. You can buy them starting at $100. Number 14. Prime Grip Clawverine. With your wedges ready to go, it's time to take apart the roof. The perfect tool for this job is available for only $75. Look at the 38-centimeter pry bar that's great for pulling out nails and shingles. It's made from strong steel that won't break easily, even if you accidentally drop it. It's light too, only weighing 750 grams. And it's so unique that it's patented. This tool makes it easy to remove even the toughest nails. Number 13. Power-TEC and Solar Infrared Paint Drying Lamp. Here's something interesting for you, a faster way to paint and dry your work using infrared lamps. Let's look at the yellow and red versions. The yellow one can dry paints in just 15 minutes with adjustable warmth settings from 40 to 70 degrees Celsius. It can rotate its head 300 degrees and the lamp can move 180 degrees. All these features are packed into a price tag of $590. On the other hand, the red version, priced at $2,000, can go even hotter, up to 80 degrees Celsius. It has a longer arm to make it easy to move the lamp vertically and horizontally. Number 12. Wire stripper. Now, let's explore a simple Chinese invention. It's a tool designed for working with twisted pair cables. It's not just a wire cutter and crimper, but a lightweight solution that weighs less than 10 grams. It measures a compact 90 by 28 millimeters, and you'll find over 10 colors to choose from. You can get 100 pieces for just $6. Number 11. Soccer Multifunction Scribing Tool. Have you ever watched a DIY construction video and wanted to build something yourself, but the cost of tools can make you think twice? Well, here's a company that understands. Check out this useful tool for marking wood, tiles, and more. It even lets you work in corners and make holes. The body of the tool is made from a strong kind of metal, and it's small enough to fit in your pocket, and it only costs $30. Before we proceed to the next cool tool, take a moment to hit that subscribe button below. By doing so, you ensure you're always up to date with our fascinating content. Plus, you'll join a community of like-minded tech enthusiasts and gain access to in-depth explorations of fascinating topics like this one. Don't miss out. Number 10. Millennium Multi-Bead Application. Check out this cart designed to make putting insulation materials in place faster and easier. It's like a special cart that simplifies the process of sticking materials together. The people who came up with this invention say it works best for big projects that cover an area of 4,600 square meters or more. This cart has space for 13 small containers of adhesive that hold 1.5 liters each. And the best part, it works without any wires, just a battery with 7 or 12 amp hours. This handy cart even has a patent to protect its unique design. And guess what? There's even a version that can either drip or spray the adhesive. Number 9. Zircon Exit Point XL500. Now get ready for a cool tool that makes drilling through walls, ceilings, floors, and partitions super easy. The magic trick here is that this tool shows you exactly where the drill bit will come out on the other side. The people who made it say it's the quickest and simplest way to get the job done. It works on lots of surfaces like wood, drywall, brick, and even concrete up to 23 centimeters thick. If all the lights on it are red, you're good to go. The spot is right where you want it. The kit includes 2 magnetic targets, adhesive discs, a battery, and a case. All of this comes at an affordable price of $80. Number 8. Rothenberger RP50 Digital. Let's dive into the world of manual pressure testing pumps, your ally in finding leaks in water supply systems and tanks under high pressure. What's unique about this pump? It's the first manual one that uses a digital pressure sensor and syncs up with an app. You can easily share your findings straight from your smartphone with your clients. The RP50 model handles pressures up to 30 bar with ease, while its counterpart, the RP50s, goes the extra mile, accommodating pressures up to 60 bar with a capacity of 45 to 50 milliliters per minute and safeguarded against dirt. It's yours for $360. Plus, it's comfortable with liquids up to 50 degrees Celsius. Number 7. King Tony Ratchet Tubing Cutter. Check out a tool that's a great match for the adventurous spirit of the Mario Brothers. It's a tubing cutter, specially made for pipes with diameters between 28 and 67 millimeters. This handy tool works with different materials like plastic, strong plastic, iron, and steel. The compact cutter has a special mechanism that makes it useful for jobs like trimming car exhaust pipes. It costs $132, which might make you wonder if it's worth it. Number 6. Jorgensen Clamping Miter Saw. Moving on, let's take a closer look at an affordable miter saw, available for only $40. This saw is perfect for cutting wood and PVC pipes. You can easily change the angle to 90 degrees, making it versatile for your projects. It has 14 teeth for every 2.5 centimeters of the blade, making it work faster than other saws. The handle is designed to help you keep a firm grip, and there are special parts to help keep things in place while you work. Number 5. TerraPump Trep 01 TXL. Get ready for a pleasant surprise. A pump that won't break the bank, priced at just $70, yet packing quite a punch. This pump is like a chameleon, fitting right in on farms or in car repair shops. It's a pro at handling various liquids, from simple water and gasoline to antifreeze and farm chemicals. And guess what? It's powered by 2D batteries, pumping out 9 liters of liquid per minute. It's designed to adapt too. You can shorten it by 13 centimeters to fit it snugly into different tool bags. Plus, you're not missing out on a 3-meter hose. With a decade of experience, the manufacturer has put their know-how into creating a tool that's both well-made and functional. Number 4. Smart Edge Roller. Let's dive into the world of painting innovations. This system brings 3 main benefits to your painting tasks. It has a reservoir that holds 170 grams of paint, which can cover an area of almost 30 meters with just one fill. The trigger on it is like a thumb button that makes adjusting the paint flow really easy, even if you're new to painting. Plus, the roller is 8 centimeters wide and can be easily detached and cleaned. They even added a special part next to the roller, so you don't need to use masking tape. All these cool features are available for just $25. Number 3. PipeMab 200. German trailblazers tap into the power of magnets to make precise pipe drilling a reality. Their patented magnetic clamping system is like a smart assistant, automatically adjusting to fit the pipe's size. It can handle an attraction force of up to 1020 kilograms, accommodating pipes up to 20 millimeters thick. This 16-kilogram marvel takes on pipes with diameters starting at 85 millimeters and going up from there, with a minimum thickness of 3 millimeters. Fueled by a 1050-watt motor, it drills at a rate of 450 revolutions per minute. All in all, it's a versatile and reliable tool worth investing $940 in. Number 2. Yato Log Hook. Sometimes, keeping things simple works best, especially with tools. These log hooks are a perfect example of that principle. The basic version costs just $10 and is made from 10mm steel wire with a practical plastic handle. They're useful in different situations, like busy construction sites, orchards, and forestry work. Think about how much easier it would be to move big branches and logs around. That's exactly what these log hooks help you do. If you're dealing with frozen wood blocks, there are upgraded versions with 190mm serrated blades. And when you need to remove stubborn logs, these tongs do the trick easily. Number 1. Tile Cutter. Last but not least, let's talk about a tile cutting system. It's lightweight at 10 kilograms and easy to carry in a bag when it's folded up. Depending on the model, it can handle tiles up to 3.6 meters long. Plus, it's manual, so you don't need batteries. The guide rail has suction cups to prevent slipping, and the handle is designed for one-handed use. This product can be yours for around $120. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please remember to like and subscribe to our channel. We have more amazing videos pinned for you, so be sure to check them out. We appreciate your support, and we'll see you next time on the channel.